If you're coming to Eastbourne, here's a few things to do, along with a review of the hotel in the title. So I'm currently here at Burling Gap, guys. This is about a 5-10 minute drive from Eastbourne. I probably wouldn't walk this far. You've got the Seven Sisters here, Seven Sisters Walk. There's a little cafe there, as you can see, Burling Gap, Seven Sisters. Very, very busy in the area. A lot of people like to walk up the hill there and go to Beachy Head. And obviously we've got a walk down here where you can get to the bottom of the cliffs. If you want to take one of the local buses just to the outskirts of Eastbourne, you can get yourself over to the Cuckmere River, and from here, this is where you get the iconic sights of Beachy Head. And you take a short walk across here, guys, and that's where you get this iconic photo spot. On one side of the coastline for Eastbourne, guys, you can head up Cliff Road. You can go up the downs there and that will take you to all of the sites I showed you earlier. Or you can pop down here to Holywell and get a nice tea and coffee on the beach. Heading to the coastline in town, guys, you've got the bandstand here and obviously you've got a nice view of the pier. You got Treasure Island if you got smaller kiddies. You've also got a little golf course outside. You got the Sovereign Centre swimming pool along with Princess Park. And heading down to the other side of the coastline, guys, you got little parks here. You got a skater park there. It's a really nice walk, and at the end here you've got the sewage works. If you carry on past the sewage works, guys, that will take you down to Sovereign Harbour, where there's obviously loads of boats and loads of bars, entertainments, drinks and things to do. You're watching Those Hotel People, and today we're getting a review on the Lansdowne Hotel in Eastbourne. So let's dive in.
You're watching Those Hotel People, and today I'm going to give you a review on the Lansdowne Hotel in Eastbourne, located in King's Edward's Parade. Let's go. So this is our bedroom. We stayed in a sea view cosy double room for one night and breakfast included. It's originally £153, I believe, but you get 10% off doing it direct on their website, so it's £137. We looked on booking.com as well to see what the prices are, but the prices are the same, so you wouldn't really save any money by booking through booking.com. We usually use booking.com a lot, and also you get like genius discounts every time you book on there, but we just booked on directly. It was 10% off and it was a really nice room. Let's continue. This is our bathroom, guys. It had a bath and a shower, which was pretty decent. It's fairly clean as well. We had a heat rack there as well. We can dry clothes and towels afterwards. It was pretty decent, guys. I would recommend staying in this room, and especially it has a choice of a bath or shower. It's always really good option there. So breakfast was included in our stay, guys. It's 7 AM to 10 AM, so you have plenty of time to wake up and have something nice to eat. They do a cold breakfast or they do a full cooked breakfast as well, so you have an option there. Breakfast was pretty decent, guys. There was a lot to choose from, and I would highly recommend having the breakfast included. So here's the menu, guys. It tells you what they offer, just in case before you book and you don't quite like the menu. So the hotel does offer an afternoon tea, guys. I believe it's £24.70, I believe, 1 PM to 4:30 PM, or if you want to add a glass of our English sparkling wine, it's £34.95. So it is a bit more dear for a nice bubbly, but it's always worth it. We didn't do the afternoon tea, but I've heard good reviews on it, guys. So a lot of our hotels down the Eastbourne seafront does offer afternoon teas, but the Lansdowne Hotel is supposed to be the best one, guys, so I highly recommend it. The Beacon is the main shopping centre, guys. It's a 14-minute walk from the Lansdowne Hotel. It's a fairly simple walk. Yeah, I highly recommend coming to visit here, guys. There's loads of shops, bars, restaurants in the area. And yeah, so definitely take a visit to the Beacon. If you're shopping in the town centre, guys, and you want to do a bit of food shop, they do have a Sainsbury's in the actual town centre itself. So yeah, take a visit there if you want to do some shopping. Here is a Tesco Express around the corner from Sainsbury's, guys. It's open this year. Highly recommend going in there. It's quite nice. It has everything you need. So there's loads of supermarkets in Eastbourne, guys. Definitely highly recommend taking a visit to the Beacon, as there's plenty of shops to shop in. So guys, with any hotel we stay in, we always look at the reviews, and we always try our best when we're doing these videos to give you the insight of the reviews as well. So that's what I'm going to do. TripAdvisor is the one we mainly look at, tells you the ratings, and yeah, it's pretty honest on there as well, and pretty accurate. So here is the reviews. As you can see, pretty positive for this hotel. I wouldn't say anything that's terrible about this hotel at all, really. I really enjoyed it, and I will definitely come back here even though it's my local town. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and more videos will be coming soon. Our overall review on this hotel was brilliant, guys. Highly recommend it.